everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in as always. So what I just really wanted to do today was sit down, catch up, give y'all some updates about my life, what I got going on, what I quit doing, what I hope to do here pretty soon, and just everything about me. Typically when I come to talk to you all on YouTube, it's not about anything personal. It's usually about hair. I try to do an updates video once or twice a year, but I've been slacking, and so I'm just like, okay, new year, new update, right? So we're just gonna jump on in, but y'all excuse me, I had to bring my phone. Per usual, my life is all over the place, so I needed to write some notes down. So update number 1, y'all, I have relocated and moved to Tulsa, Oklahoma. So as a lot of y'all know, I'm from Oklahoma, born and raised, and then y'all know I went to New Jersey for 8 weeks this summer when I was working with an educational nonprofit and working at Princeton. And then last time we talked, I told you I was still looking for a job because I was only in Princeton or in between Princeton and New York for the summer. Well, after that, I was job searching and ended up getting a job in Tulsa, hence why I moved. So I became a 6th grade ELA, so English Language Arts and Humanities teacher. Y'all, God bless every K-12 educator, administrator, staff, personnel, everybody, parent. Was not the business, was not it at all, not it. I learned that, I got my master's in higher ed for a reason. So long story short, I had to go, chunked up the deuces. Was out of there. So then after that, I was looking for a job again. I got a job at a community college where I currently work. So right now I work in diversity and inclusion. And so I'm still teaching, but just 1 day a week. And I teach high school students. And so those are the 2 big things. I did find a job, quit that job, found another job, and I've been there for a while. Not a while, but a few months. So, yes, back in Oklahoma, living the dream, right? Okay, next. This is really big. So, if you follow me on Instagram, like I tell y'all need to all the time, as told by her, __, you would have saw this update about 2 or 3 months ago. So, I joined a sorority. I am now a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. And so I crossed over into AKA land on November 18th, 2018. So ski-wee to all of my sorors who may be watching this video. Let's see, what else? Oh, and then last but not least, y'all are going to think this is funny. But y'all, guess what? So I've enrolled back into school. I'm not proud of this. Okay, I'm fully aware I have a problem, and for some reason I cannot stay out of the classroom, whether I'm teaching in it or I'm a student. So I have enrolled back into Tulsa Community College. Right now I'm pursuing a business certificate. I've always been really interested in business and entrepreneurship, but just never had the opportunity to really study it. So I found a business certificate program at TCC, and I've started. I'm officially 3 weeks in, and so I should be finished. I'm not even gonna say that because life happened, so I should be finished sometime soon. I'll let y'all know when I do. So I'm really excited about that. I'm enjoying it so far. Some of the classes I'm in, y'all, I'm taking business math, okay? I've told y'all what I've studied, which was sociology, communications, and education. Not a lot of math, and that was intentional in my planning. So now I've been forced to take math again, and y'all, listen, pray for me because it's a struggle out here. And last but not least, well, I guess 2 more things. So another thing is, y'all, oh wait, how could I forget this? I think this is pretty important. Y'all, I got my very first apartment. An apartment to where I pay all the bills, all of them. I'm pretty excited about that. I love it. It's so cute and quaint. I have a little balcony. It's only 1 bedroom, but I love it. It's all about me. So that's pretty great. I'm really out here adulting to the fullest. So a shout out to all my independent women. What else? Last but not least, I really wanted to pitch this idea to y'all. So y'all know I'm a professional student. Okay, side note. For everybody who was like, yeah, girl, you are, that's all you do. Forget y'all, okay? It was sarcasm. But for real, y'all know I love me some school, some education, some books, research, all of that stuff. Well, as y'all know, I've been in school a lot. Like, I studied education, higher education, systems within education, all of that. And again, I know I don't talk much about it, but it was a journey and it was an experience and a very life-changing one. Education, there's pros and cons to undergrad, to grad school. Now I'm getting a business certificate. Like, I have a lot of experience in education, and it has been weighing really heavily on my heart to, I don't know if I need to start another YouTube channel about this or add it on to here, but I really just want to like share my stories and my experience and my advice about going from like K-12 into college, whether it's undergrad, grad, if you're seeking additional programs, you just want some advice, some comfort, and not just that, but what all of these things look like as like Black women and women of color in general. But I can really speak to the experiences of Black women. But I've been thinking about that, like posting videos about this, because people all the time ask me about college and, you know, how I did different things and what these processes look like. And I'm just like, maybe I should just start a channel about this and talk about it and answer questions, because I know a little bit about college, like a lot. And it's really important to me, but I think there's a lot of myths and stigmas around some of this stuff that we just need to discuss and be real about. Because I'm grateful for my education. I'm grateful for the things that I've learned and the opportunities it's provided me. But at the same time, it was not easy. It was not easy. So let me know what y'all think about that. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe it would be really boring and no one would want to know. But I feel like it could be good. I don't know. But anyway, those are all of my updates. That's what I've been thinking about. That's what I got going on. But again, thank you all so much for tuning in. As always, thank you for always being supportive and having my back. I appreciate y'all. Also, don't forget to let me know what y'all got going on. And follow me on Instagram if you have not. Because here in a week, you're going to wish you were following me. I promise. So make sure you follow me at @astoldbyher__. And as always, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all soon. Bye.